video I'm going to show you how to set the shadows and highlights in Photoshop. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here we just go into the top row, click on image, then we move on to adjustments, and here we have shadows and shadows/highlights. We click on this, and here we can set the shadow amount, and here we can set the highlight amount, and here we have some more options as well. You can set the shadows tone, the radius, again the highlights tone and its radius. Here we have some adjustments, some extra adjustments as well. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.